What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Today we're gonna spend a little time with Barbie, as in Barbie Cutie reveal. There's a frog! Well, it's a dog, dressed as a frog, but I'll take it. This is the costume animal series. I found it on Amazon. I paid $24.99. I bought my top two, then I'll just wait for the other ones to go on sale. I got the dog frog and the bunny koala. I like how Barbie Cutie reveal takes the guesswork out. We know exactly which one we're getting. There's our little fuzzy green heart. Let's remove the top and take out our frog dog. The frog is probably the cutest Barbie Cutie reveal ever. Totally not showing favoritism. Okay, maybe just a little. So it really is a dog in a frog costume. We can see the dog's little paws, and I love the little paw house shoes. The fuzzy suit is a solid green on the back, and it has a white chest on the front. The dog has little stars in its eyes and little frog eyes on its head. Now I gotta see the bunny koala. Hello. It has big fluffy ears, little clouds or flowers in its eyes, a little pink nose, hearts on its cheek. The koala costume is 2 shades of purple and is solid on the back. We get lavender paws and matching paw shoes. Now let's remove the mask to reveal this cutie. Ah, I love this sculpt. She looks just like this Barbie fashionista, only her eyes are huge. As an adult collector, I do prefer a smaller eye. Oops, how did that fall off the bookcase? There are little flowers or clouds in them. She has a lavender lip color with a painted star shine. Her hair feels really soft to me. It's a very pretty shade of brown with purple highlights. And we have 4 mystery bags, which we know will have shoes, a skirt, a purse, and a comb. And there's a little question mark for a surprise jacket reveal, but they show you right here. And there's a collector's guide showing all the dolls and their second look. Let's remove the jacket. The doll has sculpted undergarments, articulation at the head, shoulder, elbow, hip, and knee. Flip the jacket inside out to reveal a fuzzy coat with white flowers with green stems, green leaves, and white leaves. Now we can open the bags. We have a faux denim skirt, or is that supposed to be clouds? I don't know. It's a simple skirt with elastic at the waist. In this bag, we have a pet. It's a bunny koala, and we can use the costume head as a pet bed. In this large bag, we find super tall boots. Do you see these things? They have sculpted fringe on one side. They are split in the back and go all the way up past the doll's knee. We also have a comb with a sponge on the back, because these dolls do have a little hot and cold reveal. With a little icy cold water, we can bring out a darker eye makeup and a purple lip color. Yeah, like that. Then use a little warmth. I'm just using a little steam to change it back. In the last bag, we have a cute little koala purse. It is long enough to be worn as a crossbody bag. Super cute addition to the line. And now the dog frog. Here's the reveal. Wow, check out those bright green eyes. This is another sculpt that I really like. I want to say she's the same as this Barbie fashionista, and her eyes look smaller. I like her hair color. It's a light brown, and there's pink in the back. Honestly, I love that it's in the back because we can hide it if we want to. Let's reveal her makeup. Oh wow, like bright green eyeshadow, and her lip color gets darker. There it is. Give her a little spa treatment, and it's gone. And she's not pixelated. And I think the inside of her jacket has a super cute print. And then we have the skirt, which is a perfect fuzzy match. I like it. There's more. A little frog purse. Love it. And in the last bag, we get some tall pink lace-up shoes to complete her look. She looks like a similar skin tone to Mini Toya, so I'm thinking the AA soccer player is a good match. But wait, I wanted to add 2 dolls to the shelf today, and while I think she is cute, I don't know. Let's take a look at another doll. Here is Barbie Fashionista 214, celebrating 65 years of Barbie's signature style with this twist and turn inspired look. This is a petite Barbie with the basic 5 points of articulation, but she's pixelated. But she's so cute. She has dark brown hair with pink highlights in the back, wears a red headband, wears an oversized shirt that says twist and turn up the volume. It's kind of sparkly on one side and not on the other. And she comes with peach platform shoes. But she's pixelated. But she might be a match for this curvy body. This one right here. I mean, she does have the hair color in the back, which we like. And I have been known to make a few exceptions for pixelated dolls. Oh, another book just fell off the shelf. Why does this keep happening? Place the dolls in a plastic bag, then into a cup of hot water until the head softens and it can be removed. Then place the head on the new body, and she's a perfect match for the AA soccer player. And Barbie Fashionista number 214 looks great on a curvy body. I think she's kind of adorable. Let's trim her ends just a little, then give them a soft curl, and I love it. When I curl my doll's hair, I use a curling iron. I do understand this makes some collectors a little uncomfortable. Different dolls have different types of hair, so a curling iron could melt them. You have been warned. I keep my doll's hair damp. I have a small curling iron on a low temperature setting. If I'm not sure if the hair is going to melt, I start with a small piece in the back and just curl it like I would normal human hair, but I don't keep it on too long. And we have a nice little soft curl. Then I curl the rest of her hair. I went ahead and gave our Barbie Cutie reveal a few more curls as well. Let's use a little acrylic paint to remove that little painted shine. Love it! And I added a tiny touch of tinted Mod Podge to my Fashionista to smooth out her lips. Oops, I forgot to open one. I think this one belonged to the frog. And we have the dog frog, whose eyes can close when warmed. Let's pick out an outfit. I bought this set on Amazon for $9.99. It's 4 outfits, so we're paying about $2.50 each. And of course, these might be available at other sites online. Each outfit is individually wrapped. This one has a sleeveless crop top and a denim skirt with a split in the front. They use Velcro in the back. The stitching is pretty decent, but I might go over this and add one more stitch just to secure it. I ran an iron over the garments and they don't look too bad. The bottom of the pants are hemmed, as well as the skirts. The skirt is an easy fit on a classic Barbie, but the top seems a little large. Or rather loose. There's a lot of fabric in the front. On a curvy, it's still kind of loose, but I think it fits a little better, and the skirt becomes high-waisted. The material on the skirt gives just a little, but you can see the hip joints on the doll. But I was able to close it in the back. We get the same top in black, but this one fits a little better, so it could be just the way the first one was made. And we get a darker skirt that flares at the bottom. I'm gonna stick with the lighter top, only because I'm a little nervous about staining. I wasn't able to get this skirt on a curvy, so let's try the next outfit. Here is a stretchy black top with wide sleeves, and it gathers in the center, paired with denim bootcut pants that are kind of snug on a classic Barbie. The fabric is pulling a little around the thighs. The pants don't fit the curvy, but the top does. The last outfit gives us the same top in white and has dark denim pants that are a little large for a classic Barbie and low-waisted on a curvy. With the right shirt, you can probably get away with it or add a high belt, but it's definitely a little low in the back. So I'm going to keep the fashionista in this outfit and put the Barbie Cutie reveal in this one. Now we need some accessories. Whatever we get is what they are wearing. This one is for the curvy. I just hope it's not a paint can. All right, let's see. What do we have here? We're opening Mini Brands Fashion Series 3. Did we get the mushroom purse? It's adorable. And I think it's corduroyed. And it's pretty large, so we could probably put a pet in it. I finally found the mushroom purse. And it looks great with her pink hair. Since this capsule said 80 plus, we know we're getting shoes. They're pink fuzzy shoes. Love it. We also got the red glasses and red press-on nails that really work. And here's Barbie Fashionista number 214's new look. I don't know how I feel about the shoes. And now it's time for the Cutie reveal to get some accessories. And remember, she's getting whatever is inside. What? The mushroom purse? Really? Again, like that soon? I can't believe this. Well, it looks good with her pink hair too. And I like the shoes better with the jeans. However, they are a little loose on a classic Barbie. This little surprise makeover was a lot of fun. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Barbie Cutie reveal. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of My Froggy Stuff. And we will see you next time.